Best portable Bluetooth speaker waterproof? Finding the absolute best portable Bluetooth speaker waterproof enough to survive a pool plunge or messy beach day can be a total gamble. I bought and tested 5 of the most popular models on the market so you don't waste your hard-earned cash. Here is exactly how they handled my real-world testing. Product number 1, JBL Flip 5. Holding this sleek, cylindrical speaker in my hand, the durable fabric housing and tough rubber ends felt like they could easily survive a nasty drop on concrete. I threw it right into the shallow end of my pool during testing, and it just kept on pumping out music without skipping a single beat. My favorite part is the signature sound profile. The bass is tight and punchy for something this size, making it awesome for backyard cookouts. The battery kept the music going for a solid 12 hours before needing a plug. You can also link it to other compatible speakers to build a bigger soundstage. If you want a dead simple, reliable speaker from a trusted brand that shrugs off water like nothing, this is a beautiful choice. If you want something with built-in party lights and a massive battery life instead, take a close look at this next option. Product number 2, Ortizen Portable Bluetooth Speaker 1st Gen. Lifting this device up, I instantly liked its matte finish and the cool LED ring patterns wrapping around both sides. When I turned it on in my dark bedroom, the flashing rainbow light show immediately created a fun, energetic party vibe that pulsed perfectly to the rhythm. During my audio testing, the dual passive radiators pushed out surprisingly deep bass and clean high notes at high volumes. I even left it playing all weekend without charging once, and the 30-hour battery life completely held up its end of the bargain. Plus, the upgraded Bluetooth connection stayed perfectly stable when I walked way out into my backyard with my phone. If you love a visual flair to go with your outdoor jams and want the longest battery life possible, this feature-rich option is an absolute steal. However, if you want to drop the heavy weight entirely, this is next. Product number 3, JBL Go 3. Holding this palm-sized mini speaker for the first time, the woven teal fabric texture and integrated loop felt amazingly rugged and stylish. I clipped it straight onto my belt and took it into the shower, and the complete waterproof and dustproof sealing handled the steam and water spray flawlessly. During my outdoor testing, I was completely shocked by the massive volume and punchy low end coming from something that fits in my pocket. The wireless streaming connects instantly to my smartphone, making it the easiest grab-and-go option for morning runs or park hangouts. It gives you a solid 5 hours of continuous music playback on a single charge. If you are shopping on a strict budget and need the ultimate micro-sized audio companion for travel, this little tank is unbeatable. But if you want that same ultra-portable vibe with more battery, look at this next choice. Product number 4, JBL Clip 4. When I gripped this oval speaker, the built-in metallic carabiner felt incredibly snappy and strong. I hooked it right onto my backpack loop during a long day hike to see how it handled bouncing around. The rugged rubber housing took a few scrapes against rocks like a total champ, and the total dust-proof build meant trail grime didn't clog it up at all. Testing out the audio, the extended frequency range gives you noticeably crisper vocals and wider soundscapes than smaller micro models. My favorite feature was the noise-canceling speakerphone. Taking a quick call on the trail was crystal clear without any annoying wind echo. It kept playing music beautifully for 10 straight hours before running out of juice. If you are an active hiker or cyclist who wants reliable, hands-free audio on the move, this is perfect. If you need something louder, look at our finalist. Product number 5, JBL Flip 6. Running my hands over the bold fabric grille of this heavy-duty speaker, the sturdy cylindrical shape felt incredibly refined and premium. I parked it horizontally, right next to the pool edge, and its IP67 rating completely shielded it from accidental heavy splashes and sand. When I blasted my favorite tracks, the dedicated two-way speaker design immediately caught my ear. The racetrack woofer drops deep, thumping low end, while the separate tweeter keeps high frequencies remarkably crisp. The advanced Harman algorithm fine-tunes the bass beautifully, so it never sounds distorted or muddy, even at maximum volume levels. It kept the party pumping for 12 straight hours on a single charge.
If you want a top-performing, rugged sound system that fills large outdoor spaces with pure cinematic audio clarity, this is your winner. It wraps up our list with absolute peak performance for any hardcore music lover. Enjoy!
That wraps up my ultimate waterproof speaker testing. All 5 of these models deliver awesome value depending on how much gear you want to carry and your budget. Make sure to check the links in the description below for current prices, and I'll see you next time.